Guys, today I'm going to show you this Deadset Mole trap by Victor. Here's what it looks like. Now this is I bought this trap because I've used the others. Now this is a plunger style, similar to this. This works good, but it's really hard to set. It's really a pain in the rear, but it does work. And this is the Victor, I believe it's called the Out of Sight mole trap, and it works too, but it requires digging a hole and a whole lot of BS. It just takes time that I don't really want to do, but it does work too. But that's why I bought this Victor Deadset Mole trap, just because it's going to be easy to set. Hey, let's go out in the front yard and I'm going to show you how to set it, and then we'll see if we can catch a mole. Well guys, here's what an actual mole run looks like. You can see how it popped up from the ground. See loose dirt. The best way to do this, if you got time, come out the night before and just mash them all down, and that way the next day when you come in you can tell if there's a new one up, that's an active run. Well, the way you set this, and what I like to do is just I like to take my finger and I like to stick a hole in there and feel both ways, and I can feel that run. Now what you want to do is you want these spikes to be right across the run, so when they hit this trigger right here, they stab it. What makes it nice, you can just pop this in the ground. If the ground is soft, you can just push it in, but if it's not, you've got these little foot pieces right here, you can push it in. But before you set it, you want to take your foot and you want to push it down real good like that. Then you take your trap and you put your spikes right across the run and you push it down. Then what you want to do, you want to pull it up a few times. You've got a lever right here that you can actually trigger it yourself, so you can just trigger it. And you want to make sure everything's free. Once it's free, you just pull it up. And it's set. Mole comes through, hits a little trigger, spikes go in the ground, and you got him. Hey, let's wait a while and see if we can catch a mole. Well, I just looked out and the trap has been sprung, so let's see if we got a mole. Whew, yeah, we did. There we got a mole. Well, that's the very reason I bought this Victor Deadset Mole trap. It's easy to set and it works. Hey, if this helped you out, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.